to explore. I'm here in Bangkok trying to leave since yesterday. I got stranded by the flood and the rain, and now I'm still 2 hours away from Ayutthaya, which is the old capital of Bangkok. I'm just gonna reach finally a nice street, nice road, leaving the highway and trying to reach a nice road. It's a one-way road. Kilos at least of batteries, with 3 batteries. That's going to be a super short video. That's much nicer than the horrible main road. This is leading me somewhere though. Alright, thanks for watching. It was just a little update on my trip. Electric bicycle trip just starting, that I just started yesterday. I could only ride 20 kilometers plus, and it was raining on and off, and then it didn't stop raining anymore, and I got stranded in this motorbike taxi stand. I could just lie down, sort of like bench, and I could not sleep, I could just rest, and I'm quite tired, to be honest. It's a sunny day, so it's going to get hotter and hotter, but in a couple of hours I would have liked to go directly to Lopburi, so that later on I'll have like less kilometers to ride for the rest of the week. But well, if it's too hot, even if I'm not too tired, if it's too hot, then I won't be able to do that. I'd rather just stop and find a just like a small hotel to spend the night. Wow, this is really nice around here. But you gotta be careful about not getting stuck into a one-way road. Alright, that's fine. Oh, nice table. Oh wow, that's what I like about bicycle trips. That's what I like. That's what we're talking about. Yes. That's the deal. Lovely, lovely. Yes. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Yeah, I know that as soon as I'm gonna reach, even before, now it's gonna get hot pretty soon, but I was like, oh god. Okay. Not. How am I going up there? All right. Thanks for watching. That was Explorer. See you next one. Hit the like button, subscribe. I'm gonna find a nice small rod very soon again. Peace.